Alright, this is a review on how to multiply fractions. So in blue we have the case where you multiply one fraction by another fraction, and in green is the case of when you multiply a whole number by a fraction. So the first step in any sort of multiplication of fractions is to simplify. And in the first case, there's only one simplification we can do, and it's diagonally. Because we know that 8 is 2 times 4, so we can simplify that out, right? So we cross out the 4, and it becomes a 1, and then the 8 becomes a 2. Because 4 times 2 is 8. And then now we just do the multiplication. So we have 1 times 5 is 5 over 7 times 2, which is 14. And that's the answer to the first question. So remember, always simplify your fraction and then do the multiplication, because it just makes it a lot easier. So in the second case here, we have a whole number times a fraction, and it's always good to remember that a whole number is also a fraction, and it can easily be made 1. So here we have 6, which is exactly the same as 6 over 1, right? Because 6 divided by 1 is still 6. And here we do the same thing again. Well, what simplifications can be made? Well, 6 times 4 is 24, right? So this gets canceled off, and that becomes a 1. And then 24 becomes a 4, because 24 divided by 4 is 6. But we cancel that off, and now that's 1. And then we do the fraction, and then we do the multiplication. So we have 1 times 3 is 3 over 1 times 4, which is 4. And here are some more problems that you could do.